Good morning. So today we have this little scuff here to repair. So I think we're going to stick with this line here. We're going to make a blend like here and here and here. We're going to stick with this line here. So let's go. We're going to start by cleaning the surface to inspect if we have any further damage, which I think we don't have, since the scuff is really little and the insurance company is only paying for the half of the bumper, or maybe a quarter, so we're going to localize here. But yeah, we need to still clean everything, inspect the panel, and do everything in our power to make the job look as good as possible from every angle. But yeah, so by the looks of it, the only damage is here. Everything else is just dirt, which will come off with sanding and everything else. Also, we will repair these chips here, so the bumper will look fresh and new for the customer. Oh, for this damage we're going to use 320 grit and 500 grit and 800 grit for everything else that we were just going to lacquer over. So this scuff is going to be sanded with first 320 and then 500. We're going to put some aerosol spray on it, put it in the booth, apply some paint, clear coat it, and then we're off. So yeah, let's go. So, as you see, we have smoothed the scratch and everything. So the next part is to sand all of this so the clear coat can adhere and make sure that the blend area is nice. For everything else, we're going to be using 600 grit from 3M. I absolutely love these sponges because they do a really good job. I would advise you not to sand too close to those lines, because you can sand the panels that you don't want to sand. So a word of advice: make sure to not sand anything that's not meant to be repaired, because if you do, you're going to have to paint that also, or try to polish, which does not always work out. So right now I'm debating in my head if I would like to switch the blend below to here, because we can hide it easily here and here. This can polish a bit easier because we have a lot of lines here, so we can burn through. So I think I'm going to extend it for another 10 centimeters. What's that in American numbers? So I'm sorry. Also, the hardest part will be masking this, which I might just pop off if I get access from it. We're going to tape it. I'm going to clean it again so that we see what we did. So yeah, basically this is it. Send it to here, down there, along that line, the scuff, everything else. So we're going to tape it off underneath the light, along that line, along this line, down there. We're going to tape this off and along this line. So yeah, let's go in the booth. I've made the old school soft edge by hand. I don't know how to do it faster, but yeah, this is what we're going to use on the line, which we do not want to paint. We're just going to clear it here so we can polish the clear back into the old existing. That's it. I'm going to prep this part here so that we can mask off like that, so we don't need to stuff anything inside here. So the next thing is this black bar here. I'm going to use the narrower one because we don't have that much surface area to cover, and it will be easier this way. For all of those that are screaming, remove and install parts, yeah. So that's it. We've masked that off, that off. I'm going to put another kind of tape there, or maybe the white sponge along the other line, so we get that soft transition. We're going to put some paper there so we don't get clear coats there, so we can make a transition like we should. Everything is masked. We need to put some green tape here so we can peel it off, so the clear does not connect the parts together. And this is it. So yeah, I'm going to do that off camera. I'm going to grab some water to drink and then we'll carry on. Pizda, velik za poštrihati. Veš kaj največ da moraš še čakati, da mi test za plin naredijo. So, we got the gas back and we can paint this. I'm going to apply some plastic primer on the sanded part. You don't need to go heavy with it because you really don't need much. So I'm going to use some leftovers. That's a bit high. Just a sec. So yeah. Okay, so I've put 2 coats of clear on. We see where I've painted around this, and we're going to buff this later as the clear dries. So yeah, I'm going to remove this so it does not stick. And that's it.